The Battle of the Ancre, fought from November 13th to 18th, 1916, was the final major British offensive of the Battle of the Somme during World War I. It took place along the Ancre River in northern France and was aimed at breaking through the German front lines before winter halted operations. The British, under General Sir Hubert Gow, launched the attack in challenging weather and muddy conditions. Their objectives were to capture the heavily fortified villages of Beaumont-Hamel, Beaucourt, and Saint-Pierre-d'Evian, positions that had withstood earlier attacks during the Somme campaign. The battle began with a heavy artillery bombardment, followed by infantry assaults. Despite adverse conditions, the British used tanks and creeping barrages effectively. After intense fighting, they succeeded in capturing several German positions, including Beaucourt and much of the Beaumont-Hamel sector, which had eluded capture since July. The Battle of the Ancre resulted in over 25,000 British casualties, but it dealt a blow to German morale and demonstrated improvements in British tactics and coordination. While it failed to achieve a major breakthrough, it marked the end of the Somme offensive, closing one of the bloodiest chapters of the war with modest territorial gains.